Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to get Amanda the Adventurer on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your App Store and click on the search bar at the upper part of your screen and search for Amanda the Adventurer. Okay, if your country is allowing if Amanda the Adventurer is allowed on your country, you should see it right here. But if your country is just like mine that doesn't allow Amanda the Adventurer on my device, just go ahead and get this Amanda Classic Home Adventure. Okay, so you can just go ahead and get this by clicking the get button. So just go ahead and click on that and just need to wait for it to be done downloading. Okay, and also what you can search is for the Amanda Nostalgia. So just like that, adventure. So again, if your country allows this game, you can see that game right here, because on other device you can install the Amanda the Adventurer on their device. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.